What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we are going to add screen protection to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 as well as change up the bands. As you can see, this is the 45mm watch. I haven't done a full review on this watch yet, but it is coming. But this is the strap that comes standard. I've already been trying to break it in. That's why you see the creases there and it's kind of curved there. So without further ado, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add screen protection. And let me set the watch aside, and this is basically what we're using here. Is it the I don't know how to pronounce this. Omoton. So Omoton. We're just gonna call it Omoton. Glass screen protector for your smartwatch. Comes in a three pack here. There's really nothing on the back other than telling you that it's fragile, handle with care. You have a little bit of the branding on the side of the box, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up real quick. Let me get my file. Hold on just a second. I'm gonna rip this thing open here. Alright, sorry about that. And we'll just get right into this this little wrap. This is always the case. These boxes are always trolling me, whether it's the box itself or the wrap that it comes in. Always getting trolled by the boxes. Alright, so is this a slide? Does this look the slide? Or no, here we go. Up top. So let's see what comes in the box. We have the actual glass screen protector, which is right here. Set that back inside. You'll also have the installation guide, as well as some guide stickers to clean the watch. You know, everything you'll need to get that going. There's a limited warranty, and then here are the other two glass screen protectors. So in the event that one cracks or break, you'll have two, and again, once you register your product, you'll have a lifetime warranty with them. So let's go ahead and try to get this installed. We're gonna do this live, so there's no breaking away. I do it and then we come back. We're just gonna do it all live. Now, these instructions are here for you to help guide you in putting this on. But if you've put a lot of these tempered glass screen protection or screens on your devices, it's going to be the same thing. It's just in this case, it's just going to be a smaller form factor. Here you have the screen protector, the wet. So you'll want to rub down your device, which in this case is the watch. It'll help remove the dust, sterilize it, and takes any additional oil to get off. Or helps take that off, so that'll be that, and you'll get 4 of those. And like I said, it dries real fast, and then you'll have the little microfiber cloth that you can use, as well as these guide stickers. Now again, for those that have experience in these, knows that these glass screen protectors come with these guide stickers that you can use. I typically don't use these. I just go for what I know and hope for the best. So let's go ahead and get that watch in there. And if you're wondering about that light, that is the Viltrox RB08 LED light that I'm using. I've got this thing for a great deal. I think it was under $50 when I got it, because I was going to get one of those other ones that you see advertised on YouTube all the time with that guy flipping around the light. But once I hopped on to Amazon, then it was a wrap, because that one was a little bit more expensive. But let's go ahead. I don't know if you can really see or not. There's a little bits of speck and dust. You also want to probably turn your device off too when doing this. But we're just going to clean it right there. Give it one more little wipe. There we go. And we're going to set that down and let that dry for a few moments. Now while this is drying, I will say so far, and this is based off of the watch faces that I use. that I use on my Galaxy or my Gear S3 watch. The battery life on this watch face has been phenomenal. I don't know how they do it, but every time, like every new iteration of the watch that they put out, the battery just, for me, it works a little better than the last. But again, take that with a grain of salt, because the last watch that I had was the Gear S3, and I went from the Gear S3 all the way to this one, so I haven't made a watch purchase since. But yeah, so now, as you can see here, there is a little tab that you'll peel off, and once this is peeled off, you just put it on the watch. I'll put it on the watch face, but you want to be kind of quick with it. Let's see if I can get this on the first try. Of course I didn't. Of course I did not get that on the first try. Look how it looks. There's space on this side. And you know what? I'm not gonna move it. I'm not gonna move it. Let's go ahead and get out the microfiber cloth. I know I said I don't typically use these, but in this case, yeah, I want to use it on this one. So let's open this up and just kind of wipe it down. This is not spot on, but this is why I did this, to let you know that you really have to have a little bit of patience when putting these on. But for the most part, like these little spots, I don't know if you can see, but there's some little spots right here. Those will go away over time. You try to get as much of the air pockets out as possible, and then, like I say, they'll go away over time. But the way that this is put on this watch face, it's going to do its job well, which is to cover and protect the watch face itself. So, I might take this off. This is another reason why they give you multiple, because I know that's going to bother me some when I actually want it in the middle. Let me see if I can take this off. Oh, it comes right off. Okay, let's wipe that real quick. And this is going to have some specks of dust on it, which I don't know if that's going to drive me nuts or not. Probably. I would suggest going from the bottom. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, there we go. So, just a pro tip, when you're putting this on, go from either the bottom or the top. Look at that. That's going to drive me nuts. Let me take a look here. Yep, that's going to drive me nuts. So let me pause the video right here and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put the second one on there, and this went on much smoother and better than the first one. And there it is, folks. It's ready to go, and it's actually covering the entire screen. Perfect fit for your Galaxy Watch 3. Now, just to show you, I went ahead and broke this one just so you can see. That could have been your actual watch had, like say for instance you were taking it off or something, or showing it to somebody, and your watch dropped down face first and just happened to do a weirdo drop, then that could have been your phone. But these are designed to keep that from happening to your watch. So let me clean up this area, and we're gonna go to the phase 2 of this video. Alright, here we go with the watch straps that I ordered off of Amazon. I'll be sure to throw the links below so you can take a look at the glass screen protectors as well as the watch bands. But let's go ahead and open these up. As you can see here, this is from, I guess this is Fullife smartwatch band. Just a little bit of stuff on the back. Let's go ahead and open these up. I don't understand why these boxes troll me all the time. Alright, so this is the watch band itself. It comes with some extra pins and a tool to help you put them on. Is there anything else in here? Nope. So let's go ahead and open the other one. Okay, now this one came, oh, this came with a little thank you card, so that other one didn't. Let me make sure it didn't. Nope, it didn't. So quality control, what's up? And again, it comes with the extra pieces. And these are the watch bands right here. So I don't always want to use this this watch band right here, especially if I'm working out or walking or something. So I wanted something that was that's sporty. And these are the two that I got. So we're actually going to put this one on. And the way to take the watch bands off, if you don't already know, this little pin right here, you just pull down and the watch band comes right off. And then we'll go ahead and throw this one on there. Now I don't know, to be honest, I don't know if this is going to fit, but we are about to find out. You'll just push down the same part just like you did on the last one and kind of line up the holes a bit. And once they're lined up, oh wow, that was easy peasy. So these fit. Alright, let's go ahead and take that one off and put this one on. And then we're going to wear the watch to see how it feels. So let's go ahead and line them up. Whoops, thought I had it. There. It's on there. Let's go ahead and put this on. And then we will see how this feels. Put it on right about there. Now this tucks on the inside of the watch band instead of having that traditional piece that goes on the outside. So that'll definitely take a little bit of getting used to, but just right off rip, I mean, it feels a little, I mean, not that much, but a hair lighter than with these right here. But it feels good. Like, it almost feels like if I didn't feel this, it feels like I'm not even hardly even wearing anything. So this is cool. And this is how it looks when you take it off. So let's go ahead and put on the black and red. Same thing, just look for the pin. And just connect them. You may have to slide it around a little bit until it gets into the space it has. Well, this one doesn't want to go on. Uh-oh. Hold on. Alright, there we go. I didn't have this bottom part lined up correctly, so let's take this one off and let's put this one on. There we go. And now let's put on the watch. Man, these things look pretty amazing. Let me wipe some of that fingerprints off. Wow, these things are amazing actually. But there you have it, folks. That's how you protect the screen on your Galaxy Watch 3 as well as upgrade the watch bands. I'll have more videos coming down the line with different watch bands and other accessories that I find that you can try for your Galaxy Watch 3 as well. Now, of course, the official family got the notification that I dropped this video, so I appreciate y'all for being out here, Bumpy Cam. And if you are not a part of the official fam, it's easy to do. Just click on the subscribe button. After you do that, click on the notification bell. That way you'll be notified. Oh, and select all. That way you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And until next time, this is Official Keith You are now official, and we will see you later. I hope you have a good day today.